This one is another problem of working capital management. Cartridge company sells goods in the home market and earns a profit of gross profit of 20% on sales. Its annual figures are as follows: sales rupees 3 lakhs, material used 1 lakh 8,000, wages 96,000, manufacturing expenses 30,000, administrative expenses 1 lakh 20,000, depreciation 12,000, selling expenses 18,000, income tax payable in 2 installment of which one falls in the next year 30,000. Some of the additional information also there. You are required to prepare a statement of working capital requirements. The Cartridge Company Limited, you have now working also there. You put in the some of the workings. Workings A. What is the sales amount? Sales is equal to rupees 3 lakhs. Less gross profit this is gross profit 20% on sales. That is called rupees 60,000. Two lakh 40,000. That's the cost of sales. Then workings B. Depreciation given in the problems is a non-cash item, hence it will not affect the working capital statement. Working capital statements. When working, see, income tax payable is related to income tax payable is related to the next financial year. So it will be not appear in the working capital. So it will not appear in the working capital requirements. Now answer of the questions. Statement of working capital requirements. Statement of working capital requirements. What is the working capital? Working capital is excess of current assets over current liabilities. First, we will write down the current assets. What are current assets in the given problems? Stock of materials. Stock of materials. 1 month asset credit. That is called total amount 1,08,000 into 1/12. In our working capital problems, the credit period allowed given in the month in the problems, you will take a 1/12. Suppose a credit period allowed in a weeks, total amount into number of weeks divided by 52 weeks in a year. Totally 9,000. Stock of finished goods. Stock of finished goods. That is also 1 month credit. 2,40,000 into 1/12. 20,000. Next, prepaid selling expenses. Prepaid selling expenses. That is called a current assets. 3 months as a credit. Total amount is 18,000 into 3/12. 4,500. The next debtors. Now let's say 1 month credit. That is also current assets. It should be calculated on the cost of sales. On the base of cost of sales, 2,40,000 into 1/12. 1 month credit. That is called a 1/12. So 20,000. Cash balance to be maintained. Cash in hand also a current assets. Cash balance maintained in the current assets. And this one is 30,000. And 3,500. It's the total current assets. A. That is called A. Less current liabilities. Current liabilities. Given the problems, sundry creditors sundry. Raw material used, that is called as sundry creditors. Material used, that is called sundry creditors. 2 months as a credit. That is called 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Into 1/12. That is called 18,000. The lag in payment of wages. Lag in payment of wages. Half a month credit. That is called 96,000 into 1/12. 1/2 into 1/12. Half a month. So 1/12. Total is 4,000. Lag in payment of administrative expenses. Lag in payment of administrative expenses. 1,20,000 into 1 month credit. 1 month credit. 1,20,000 into 1/12. That is called 10,000. Total current liabilities. Total current liabilities. Therefore, working capital equal to. Therefore, working capital equal to A minus B. $83,500 minus 83,500 minus 32,000 equal to it is 51,500 as a working capital required. That's all.